Shosho bafethu khamba kanjani lapha angithi nalazi udaba bafethu bathi sasekulo umzila bafethu kuseyiyo lendlela lena bathi iKidem podcast bafethu brought to you by Injeza TV bafethu angithi niyazi ukuthi angihambi ngedwa ngaso sonke isikhathi hlezi ngiphethe amasosha bafethu e-studio ngaso sonke isikhathi lamasofa lawa awakaze waba empty sithi asinamukele futhi bafethu yathola bathi ukuhlehla kwenqama kusikhona ukubaleka isuka ithatha amandla so nathi besathi sithi ukuthatha amandla kancane yabo sike sivulele ezinye ezezinto shout out to upang bafethu lisitho bafethu ngokuthi bajoine futhi ama forces nabo insurgents athi sihlanganeni bafethu sifakeni something which is called Imnati Freaks bafethu shout out to each and every DJ bafethu who pulled through bafethu kwi live ezo DJ so angeke ngizengene kakhulu bafethu because namhlanje ngiphethe yena vele umuntu ozosichazisela kabanzi ngalento le engishoyo mfethu khamba kanjani
Hola Kidem akaba kahle kuwe
sharp mpintshi
hola Dogi
mfethu asikwamukele mfethu namhlanje mfethu enesibonga ukuthi sithima sik-invite abafowethu ayazi ukuthini ngale langa leli ele namhlanje ngizokumisa konke then ngiphula up e-studio
kubonga mina Kidem
cheers
danko
mfethu without any waste of time maybe mhlawumbe bangasitshelela ababukeli lapha yana ekhaya ukuthi ubani lona esihleli naye namhlanje wakuphi
lona ngegama uThepo ngu-DJ ngiya-DJa ngiya-producer ngishama event organizer manje ngibhizi ngama-live session khona ama-DJ session ngiwaphushayo every Friday ngenza i-live lapha ku-Facebook naku-TikTok naku-Instagram phusha into nyane kanjalo yi-movement yami kwamanje engiyiphushayo danko yes
mfethu maybe umuntu lapha yana obukayo mfethu like they wish ukuthi yazi amajida ube kuthiwa ane live ngabe sengirequestile ngamisa uThepo ngathi Mthebane lo wayeshesha kangaka lo sifakela manje ku Facebook mfethu sifake na kwi movement awuthi siqale sazi uThepo ukuthi uThepo ubani before iFacebook and before ama live and stuff
bokuza phezulu kuphi ukuthi ngikhulele kuphi kanjani
like mongasichazela like kabanzi ukuthi like uThepo uyathola ukuthi uThepo ubani owakuphi yathola
alright uThepo kahle uThepo noThepanga kahle yabo ngi twin brother yabo so kakhulu isiphusha into music kahle into esiphushayo kakhulu that's why sabu DJ ohlala eFoslorus sikhulele eFoslorus sa DJ sa producer sikhona ingoma zethu kuma Spotify yabo siyatholakala nje siyaphusha nje I production side yo music manje siphusha le DJ le ama live session iyo kahle into kakhulu esiphushayo kahle sibhekane nayo kwamanje le ukuthi sibe live so vele sifuna u DJ out there ukuthi bakhona nayo opportunity bazwakale bazodlala babe live yabo bathole exposure yonke la le yabo it's open to everyone nje
so mfethu like mawukhuluma ukuthi kunoThepo noThepanga then you are saying ukuthi kasona une twin
between brother uThepanga yes
so mfethu like maybe mangasichazela maybe ukuthi okay kulomzila lo ohambayo ngoba mfethu kwenzekile like abantu abaningi banokusho ukuthi akwenzeki ukuthi ingane ezasendlini yodwa zikhethe i-career efanayo and especially futhi ngamawele futhi yathola like kukancane ukuthi kasona benze into eyodwa yathola so like maybe mongasichazela maybe yathola ukuthi ilife ibe njani like ukuthi as a twin brother like need to nenza into A1
ukuthi mina noThepanga kakhulu masikhula most of the things the seasons are C2 saqala sidlala idisc bedlala team A1 always madlala team A1 asikazi ukuthi wena ndothamba udlala le team mina ngiyodlalela le team since vele yonke into siyenza C2 sadlala idisc sakhula sadlala idisc ngiyakhumbula high school bese sawo majayivana bese sawo majayivana sijayiva ispantsula mase high school shama routine ndoda suwina from crazy mover dala ngumajayivana ndoda bengishaya ispantsula ndoda ngayeka ispantsula ngangena kusibhuju nali yami kanjalo same kanjalo masenza lesenza C2 masenza lesenza C2 maswitcha leswitcha C2 asasho ukuthi into ukuthi sinayo ke ubu-20 into makayithanda lo ngiyakubonisa ukuthi into lento ngiyayithanda nengiyenza kaso 1 2 3 nalwathi into ngiyayizwa lento lena automatically uyajoyina ngazi spirit esinjani into nyani njalo yebo so sikhule vele sezi izinto mostly vele siyi2 so leyo DJ yasusa yimi kahle kahle bengithanda ukulalela ama mixtape kahle kahle khona enyawo high school thanda umama ama mixtape asangena nje ama mixtape ngihlezi mamela ama mixtape ngama cassette ngimamela ama mixtape ngama cassette ayengeza ukuthi amanje manje ngidijela kamnandi manje ngayenza le yabo ngaba nalento lokuthi manje ngizama ukumixa ngibone thola into nyalo ukudijya ngathola i-automix khona automix ngayithola sayifunda nale yami izinto zonke sayifunda sayazi manje saphusha yona ngangena i-visual DJ ama PC le ukudijja ama PC satijana ama visual DJ sadlala saqeda isigela before siqeda isigela uma 2011 saqala sadijana nge-CD pitch safunda vele besithola amagigi sase high school bese igama lethu likhona lapha kumabhela thina high school sakele yabo saphusha 2015 mase sicedile isigela ke saqala saproduce uma 2 years mas producer sisuve ngiyayicala mina nawe yalandela namajita sigcina sesi5 yasipana yaphushwa
manje yini lena eyenza ukuthi kasona wena nobhuti wakho like ningabi nalento ukuthi kasona ningaphambana yathola because like omunye umuntu uyefuna ukwazi ukuthi kasona okay lamajita lawa mayelamana kanjeni nakuwa mawele yini lento lena like ebahlanganisayo like ngaso sonke isikhathi yathola ukuthi like bekhumbula ukuthi noma ngathiwa kwenzakalani mara besho ukuthi mfethu thina siphila siyi2 all the time because like the way oyichaza ngakhona lento lena it shows ukuthi even like maybe zikhona le nkathi ezokuthi kasona ningabonisani but ayindluli le nkathi lezi ezigrand yayithola
khona la sinokuthi singaboni indlela eyi1 yabo mara indlela ezinjalo vele always siyazifacea asile nalesi ndoda sizifihle sithi hayi thi ngiyibamba ngiyakulanda ndoda ngiyakutshela ndoda 1 2 3 ngithandi ndoda nabo ukuthi ndoda uyithanda skis asilungise sayidlulisa sayikhuluma always yakhuluma nale yami ndoda siyaba hlezi sicabana ukuthi asicabani hlezi sicabana bese mara sindlulisa indaba khona sendlulisa ukhohlwe nokukhohlwa so into yani njalo ukuthi always nje sabantu nathi vele siyacabana mase nani into ukuthi asilungise ekugcineni ngoba kusiza ukuthi sicabane kuphela yebo automatically vele into yani izenzakalelayo lezo yebo
manje i-community yona inamukele kanjani yona ninobhuti wakho like as ama-twins a-DJ yayo like omabili yathola because ezinye izinto ebantwini like izimvela kancane
abantu basa-appreciate so far yazi abantu basa-appreciate ngoba ezingishilo before sinokuphusha ama-event organizer masishayile i-event abantu bayeza and abantu mabafizile lapha ku-event bahlezi bashiya ukuthi madoda zele nina la DJ yani nani and vele mas-DJ asayenza into right baya-appreciate into ndoda kubonile masokudlala nini atmosphere ndoda beseyitshentshile yabo bese kumnandi ngibonile nami yasho ukuthi hawu na vele amajita ayaperforma amajita nengoma ngamangala nokumangala ukuthi hawu nengoma nawo abantu uyaqula mina bengazi ukuthi nengoma inabo DJ kuphela bosathola nenye exposure into nyane ezinjalo le moma wayazi le journey le ihlezi after le kuvela le yebo injalo nje
so mfethu like siyazi ukuthi kasona yonke indawo kunama ups and downs yathola like abanye abantu bayabamba bayeke abanye begcine bengala like due to indlela abathitheka ngayo and like wena nobhuti wakho like ni kwenye ilokhunjana i-industry uyathola which is like i-industry eyokuthi like we have seen ama-artists amaningi efika kuyi-group esho ukuthi labantu labe mfethu sikhule sonke from esikoleni senza lento kanje le but then wena be-end up like besplit uyayithola leyo nto so like nina like i-journey eyale industry le yoku-DJ yabo or ngathi music yabona from la uthi khona benisaqala khona until manje yayithola lento le like beningakadibani nalezo maybe ngathini nalawo ma challenges lawo yathola la ukuthi kasona kube nezinto which is like ezifuna ukuthi kasona zinhlukaniswe yathola maybe zenze omunye ukuthi yena maybe azibone ngathi no manje mina sengiready more than lo ukuthi ngiqhubeke
akhona ama challenges esiwafaceayo but most ama challenges siwaface kakhulu nabantu abangaphandle makuba ama challenges wethu leswa ngishilo ukuthi siwaface sindlule kuwo, but mostly la amanye singakhona ukuthathela kakhulu ama challenges ila ukuthi sifaceane maybe nabantu, maybe for example event organizer yafika yakubhuka maqeda ukubhuka kanjalo uyasho ukuthi ama terms wami nawo siceda kanje confirmation ukuthi ngizoza wena uzenzana accommodation yonke into sicede kanje mama sokufika lapha yana awusayenzi the way boys vumelane ngakhona, so uchinja indlela manje, so amele sokulandelela move usicabane nawo kanjani yabonyana into enyana ezinjalo ziyenzeka vele, mara always mazenzeka choose ukuyenza the right way ngendleleni yethu ukuthi awufuna ukusibhadala ini and thina so DJ sinandaba nathi DJ nesenza show ukuthi mas DJ sabulala ukuthi asibulale vele ukuthi ndoda shima ukuthi awusibhadalanga ma le event yakho ibe mnandi ngathi shaye kakhulu shiye lento bese sicedile sivaya yabo shiya lento ukuthi thina isipanisethi sasenza still, however ukuthi mina i-arrangement yami nawe azange savumelana, mara mina ngoba sengibhukhiwe sengila abantu ba-expectile ukuthi ngibe la singenza into right and ngiphuma all out ngayo yabo sithathila kanjalo always.
So maybe omunye umuntu mayezwa le story sakhe yathola sekavula amadlebe ufuna ukuza ukuthi okay umjisi story sakhe the way asibeka ngakhona sona siyaphinteka yathola ukuthi ubone ukuthi okay uke wadibana lento kanje uyayibona leyo nto le. So maybe omunye ufuna ukwazi ukuthi yini mfethu ulahlela ama short maybe ngama angle uyayithola ori uke wadibana nale maybe nalesigameko leso esinjalo yathola if ungasitshela maybe mhlambe ilokhu njani istory nyana uyathola esesimo maybe uke wadibana naso esicishe sifana nalesi oqeda ukusitshela sona manje.
Ngicela ungirepeatele yona iquestion yakho kilem.
Yeah, like angithi kunokwenzeka ngithole ama challenges ukuthi maybe uthola umuntu unbook then angasenzi into the way afezeka ngakhona. Yeah, so like into maybe engifuna ukuyazi ukuthi uke wadibana nesimo esinjalo na. If uke wadibana naso maybe if your mind mhlambe maybe ungasidalela sona sibe sifishane isimo sakho na maybe.
Hluphi mara anye ngimention amagama yabo.
Akunenkinga.
Yeah, khona i-event besibhukhwe kuyo isafika vele sibhukhiwe sizo DJ nalo muntu oshaya i-event lapho bayithu abantu abashaya i-event nesabazi kwethu ukuthi noyithu yini enshaya hostel e-event sanazi obayishap sikhuluma nalo bayi confirm ukuthi antanya nifuna lo uthi okay intanga umntwana sayaqedile inkulumo nafuneka le mara inkulumo yenu uzoyithola kimi so since ngisipana nontwana yimi organizer bo DJ bangayeka senuza bangada maybe base Soweto yabo mina ngizoorganize bangayi yabo. Okay it depends afika i-event masifika endleleni samtshela indoda siyeza sendleleni at least usenzele i-plus 1 nyana yabo sihamba nabo cherry wethu vele masifika untwana vele akekho igate na sithola ama security vele azange sinike inkinga sifike singene ku-event sharp ku-event kube mnandi ku-event bedlala I think bedlala around boma 9 shaya boma 7 sesilanda untwana ndoda phela since sifikile akwasinaki ndoda silungisela into yethu phela ngithi inkulumo silungisa inkulumo phela sininga into yethu amarada yabo nathi beseda sesine awanyana ku 2 hours sifikile awusinaki nani machita khuleka yabo babhiza asa understand anginathi ama event organize ubhizi hamba isikhathi ndoda still okasathendi sesicine sakulandelela ndoda masakulandelela kanjalo isikhathi sesokudlala sesafika and wena akayenzi into right. So phela manje sokumele senzeni it's either awukayenzi into right ngcono sivasi singadlala okazi nanta since sila sama nabo mama nani sibagcwalisele wathi kube mnandi shaya number waba mnandi saphuma masiceda ukuphuma sahlala leyo 30 minutes nyana vele sabaleka out yebo masamba kanjalo sibhadalwanga sizenye motor sifayela ngagazola siride litha likho and isipani sishayile yebo ke sabhekana nentonyana enjalo yo
mara at least benisavile intonyana for abo mama ngithi
athembisanga
bazothola phambili ecabanga ndoda sobuyela lapha endlini mama family ndoda
athembisa abantu
kanjani
Asukela lapha vele nathi sijimile entweni yethu yabo. Sathi abantwana bezosithola ngendlela. Sapha early lapha kunane swimming pool safika early. Abo mama baswima. Relax sasibhala into yethu besinento yethu.
At least bebenzani. Manje mfethu asife kunama event organizers azobukela mfethu le episode le umuphi maybe umlayezo ongabatshela wona ngokuthi bengaphathi kahle abantu abababhukayo.
Mina into engayisho ukuthi ngicela yonke into inkulumo maniyicede kanje icede kanjalo to the end.
Yeah,
that's how you build a strong relationship with na near future to come. Uyazi ukuthi hayi ndoda mina nalo muntu is grand angazi ngambhayisa mama lo ubhayisa amajita manje awazi ukuthi amajita azoba grand ngathi in 2 years to come amajita azoba grand. So kunzima ukuthi lokhu usondele emajiteni namajita sintsala eduze manje siwafere ngoba wena manje sonibhayisene nabo ngenye event awuphi amajita wabhadalwanga kanjani yabo. Yeah kumelanga kube kanjalo kumele icede nesitime ngazi ukuthi ndoda noma ngihlala after 5 years ndoda yimi ngisaseyimi okay ndoda asiqhubeke like yagcina khona injalo. Yeah,
speaking of ukusebenzisana mfethu like before uphula apha lana kunezinto esithe ukuthi sigo through zona yathola through ama social media wakho la kusabona like even ama past events wakho but then into esithe sibona mfethu like we have amagama mfethu from la eKasi esithi like maswabiza abantu abaningi they are familiar with, like for example abo Team NSA.
Sure.
Yabo abo Takzini yayithola lento and like mangabheka yibo abanye ababantu labo eniphile nabo kakhulu.
Sure.
Uyathola maybe mhlambe mfethu mongashlaziyela ukuthi like yabona before like sizophuma mfethu maybe mongasitshela ukuthi amajita like uwacava kanjani. Uyathola because like masibheka like abantu maybe usuka nabo way back. Yeah.
Angazi thi ngicala ngoTakzini. uTakzini bengikhula nayo into naseKasi lami ukuthi hayi untwana vele aseKasi.
Cheers.
Wathi ufuna ukDJ okay sharp ufuna ukDJ It happens besaba resident DJ kwenye iKasi ngala bathi se 28 ma 49. Safika eTshanini. Sawe eTshanini kabi. Untwana wathi ufuna ukDJ supply ama CDJ ukubonise yadlala lo wenzani nabo. Sambuild intwana in wanenyana sakafuna ukuproduce untwana uthi vele sengifuna nokuproduce and nasakena ukuproduce asanifaka produce kanje ndoda produce so yena wayilandelela into esenyaproduce and manje kusangena ipiano thina nale yami stereotype sithanda deep house sithanda inamba nale yami sithanda deep house stereotype mangena ipiano sithi yani mina kancane amapiano thina skeni inamba ndoda and namaye simamela inamba until sesiboka ukuthi hayi inamba fele lisasho salandelela for abantu abalandelelayo mara nepiano notala ngenile noma since abo DJ so mele sil DJ. Yebo ngoba into echavisayo kwamanje ngcono nathi singene kuwe mara hayi ukuthi sisitike kupiano kuphela sivesithathe sadlala nayo le house yethu akudala deep house old school hip hop yabo sadlala nje ama R&B sivesithathe kahle. Yeah,
so mfethu yazi inkulumo yakho mfethu like kunamagama interesting mfethu engithiye ukuthi mfethu ngithi ukwathatha kancane yabo then but mfethu yabona amakhuluma ukuthi okay besine event ema 49 eTshanini. I remember safika there sakhonetha samba nayo intwana uTakzini then bekathanda ukudlala then like there was a way to ukuthi okay untwana some build then like some build and build so mfethu like you know like that way build yathola like mfethu lona lodwa like masingalidonsa like mangabuza kahle you mean ukuthi like kunabafowethu abanjengabo aboTakzini uyathola which is abantu abagcine bephusha to a point ukuthi nabo bagcine nabo bephumelela ngomusic wabo. So like do you mean ukuthi kasona you guys like nani nesandla nani like we career eyabantu like abanjalo na?
Sinesandla kakhulu phela amahutho abantwana yithi.
Shout out bafethu.
Uyaphusha vele ukuthi nekugcine nafinyelele la afinyela khona yazi ama connection wethu anyakafana. It happens ukuthi wazi lo muntu kanje ngesikhathi esikanje izinto zakhe zavele zabalula yabo.
Into ebalekile isiqalo nje yami. Shout out to you gents. Abafethu abantu abakanje bafethu bayafuneka bafethu yibokela abantu asibabiza ngamakasi heroes nje yami. Yathola ukuthi like mina okay Tengayisho ukuthi it my first time bafethu ngizwa yona lento lena ukuthi kasona kuneqhaza enadlala kwabanye abafethu. And you know one thing engithandayo ukuthi ngiyele ngabona ukuthi I think it was last month yathola yangibonile ukuthi kasona beni hostile and benimbizile untwana, then like that's one thing mfethu engithandayo ukuthi kasona okay noma ngathiwa okay indlela manje sezisithathile umunye zambeka lethi nasile but then sisaconnecta phambili sibathela induku.
Yeah, enjalo sisaconnecta nontwana uTaxi naye intwana yethu ndoda. Awuthi yethu leya ndoda akunamagwala nani ingoma nayo intwana asiproducer naye yaspana ndoda. All the way ispan nje all the way kahle kahle. So akunama beef yonke into sase right. Intwana yethu yonke into giant.
So like what can you tell him maybe like makabukele laphana maybe athathe isikhathi sakhe ethi athi ngibhekele yami umthebhale lapha because I know ukuthi mayikhuluma ngenamba nami ngikona.
Ngasho nje ukuthi mfana pick up lento yenza ukuthi uvele uphume ekhasi ubonisa abantu ekhasi ukuthi ipossible le ndoda nami ngisuka la ekhasi bheka manje ngikuphi yebo. So pick up yakufana yakhuthaza abantu ukuthi ndoda spirit ingagive up, one day is one day. So yeah, pick up.
Okay njayam cela usitshele ngoTman maybe.
UTman yena asinayo ukuthi isikhe saspanisana kakhulu sispanisana naye kakhulu kulento zokudijayisa ama event organize kakhulu sambuka ukuthi ndoda sine event esozwakala zoshaya inamba yazwakala untwana shaya inamba yabo. In terms of production asikaze saspanisana yabo mara sakhuluma sikhe sakhuluma uthi ndoda kuzomela ukuspana just nje ukuthi maybe lo sesikhathi asikafiki but one day nje izofika yabo maybe sikhathi sakhona sikafiki. But in terms of ukuspanisana vama event asesimbukile untwana more than 3 times uma uhleza phula through uhleza yenza into right untwana yabo. So ayaspanisana naye uTman nje since ispanisana naye since from day one. Hey
bafethu shout out to uTman SA bafethu lapho amala ngibonile ukuthi namjida bafethu uyaphusha naye akahleli
bathela amajita uthela induka amajita ayaphusha.
Shout out bafethu and shout out to uPanglisito. Yathola abantu abaningi banazi ngele twins bafethu lelo gama lelo.
Sasekhona lo gama lelo. Lasukuzalana manje. Ayidlela ye twins mina noThepanga ukuthi amajita ama twins. Mayileli kaPanglisito ukuthi bakhona ukuhlukanisa ukuthi lo uPang uStito.
So you are the Pang.
Mina nguStito.
Alright. Mina ngithi ngihleli noPang ke.
nguStito njalo.
Alright. Bafethu shout out to uStito bafethu. Hey. Mfethu fethu siyaza fethu ngokhuluma ukuthi ukhuluma ngama event organizer awushiya ukuthi kasona nani njengamanye ama event organizer mfethu. Cela usitshele about iMnati Freaks mfethu. Uyathola isukaphi mfethu le event because sayibona ukuthi manje isi used to a point ukuthi isize sesithola mfethu isihleli nasendlini sesibuka na online.
Yabo iMnati Freaks vele sayicala ezi event ukuthi lama event lawa ukuthi uyafika ungena ngemali nama entrance fee yabo. Shaya intonyane finsinyana sathazi ngcono singayishayeli kule ndawo esijwayelekile ama tavern.
Okay, before we get there maybe like kumuntu owafika ne-idea ukuthi athi senze iMnati Freaks like behambani like ekhanda lakho like ngaleso sikhathi leso ukuthi okay bafethu let us come up with something like this and anspanela like big time.
Thina ngithi since sawu DJ sesa DJ from high school ngisho sapayisana masipayisana masithothi uqedisa isigebe sesine sound so bese sipusha ama gigs yabo sesipusha nge sound. So it happens ezinye intwana kanje zizibiza ngama party animals zi hosta some event ngala eDon Park ngenwa nge10 rand each person. So simile lapha vele gate sabo ukuthi laba baya shilo intwana lesi account sidama lentwana maybe zilenzile 1000 yana yabo ndaba bhaya lapha and late bese ungena ngama choko sathi okay afeed nathi sa enjoy afeed sathi letho singayishaya wona athi possible yabo but izomela nasizele negama sayicabangela igama kamanyana elifense ukuthi nje kunalo vibe play ukuthi man ngathi kuyajive nyana so sacabanga mnathi into emnandi Freaks acabanga nje umnandi freak nyana uyahamba lapha umnandi ukuthi angijabulile kumnandi sathi Mnati Freaks imnandi yasuka kanjani Mnati Freaks sashaya iparty ngashaya iparty nayi le party madoda sibiza ngeMnati Freaks sayibiza ngeMnati Freaks sekuyifirst annual yashaya iparty kumnandi party yaphela iparty abantu sabasibuza ngeparty Mnati Freaks nali party benishayile Mnati Freaks amandama lapha siblokomekile anentanyana maye basikhuthaza ukuthi amani iphinde endiring le sayiphinda masiphinda bayaphula apha vele kuba mnandi vi yabo ukuthi the second time ayikho bad but I ndoda badimanda even more but sifuna i-third time awushaya i-third time ndoda bagqala ukuqina wabo ukuthi indoda nayo lento iyagoka kanjalo nje yagoka kanjalo sayiphusha manje kakhulu sisiphusha kuma live iyo into ibheka kahle sifuna ukubuyisa yona lento emnati freaks mangale into ku DJ yale yeah
mfethu sisakhuluma ngayo imnati freaks mfethu so njengoba like sibona lapha mfethu kuma live lapha ku Facebook uyathola abo DJ like bedlala like abantu like abanye mfethu bayazibuza behleli lapho ukuthi you know what like isayikhumbula le vibe le eyokuthi sihambe siye park siyobukela ama artists perform u DJ bedlala like can we expect something like that?
Yeah besikhuluma ukuthi vele kuzomela shama vibe kanjalo ukuthi sifike si maybe park tennis court so siye connect sound sifake ne stage anyone odlula estradini uyeza ukuthi nali sound yakhala nasi stage kunayi man kuyangena kuyajiva kuya challenge one ku challenge one le ku challenge ngakhona but something bengifisa kakhulu man khona lama vibe lawa esikhule thina bawayenza like ukuze ama artists wonke ukuthi maybe kuze abantu abazo performa abantu abazo jive kofifi abantu abazo jive ispantula abantu abazo jive isibhuju yabo besibiza ama festival la ngene so makuvala igela sayazi ukuthi lezi actors zile kwesinye isigela for example maybe la eThabang primary school abantu basetsakani Duduza Davidson yabo ikoleninyana nje yabo iqwele lapha ya lesigela Kempile lapha esigela every day we are maybe one of the theater nyana maybe we civic center every day maybe Monday ya perform ya abantu ba actor how abantu bas actor lapha lesha sasa campus uyahlulisana zonke shama campus ange the following day isibhuju akujaba ibhuju yabo ukuthi kunani ukujaba isibhuju for day ukushaya isipantula amapantula kuphela uyabona nawo amapantula kuphela maybe 50 yama result kanye ama result the following day chayile yayibona limbe mnandi kanjani yenze ukuthi abantu le incosi futhi zibe nama activity zengele lento ezenzayo zama phone or zibe expose ukuthi phela incosi mayangazi ukuthi yenzeni isikhasayi ula iba expose khona kuma drugs uhlala phorekile akazi ukuthi ayenzeni ucina ba exposed yeah
so mfethu maybe mfethu mangabuza ukuthi kasona yona mfethu lento like ingahlangana the way oyibengakhona ukuthi ngibone YouTube the way eniphusha ngakhona imnati freaks mfethu like na online at all ine support ebaya like at all even like nabantu abaningi vele sebeyazi ngayo njengoba kade usho yena manje ukuthi kasona abo DJ like bengasondela bezo yathola so maybe like before sibuza ukuthi kasona abantu babhuka kanjani ukuthi bezodlala maybe ungasho ukuthi kasona maybe mawuyithatha lento uyithusa ngaphandle niyithatha nifaka online ukuthi manje abantu like beyibukele uyathola ukuthi kasona like maybe i-target yakho maybe bekuyini lapho ukuthi kasona uyisuse ngaphandle uyifake online because akusinoma ubani uyathola ongakufollowa online yathola abanye abantu bayabukela nje bevele badlula
kahle i-target yethu ukuthi kakhulu kube nama mixtape e-video kahle yabo i-live le video leyo then iba i-mixtape macedile sayidropa ezo mixtape yabo kube ibe available ku YouTube ukuthi whenever ufuna ukuyibukela at least ma u-DJ uzokhona ureferra ukuthi okay vele mina ngu-DJ hayi ngifuna angipika sithi umuntu akabelieve ukuthi u-DJ yakhona ukuzomreferra kuyo le YouTube video ukuthi hey iya lapha yayo ngibukela ukuthi vele nya DJ mara searcha uPanglistito bazo subscribe lapho then isiphusha kanjalo ke but imithu kakhulu ukuthi at least ube nama mixtape wabo DJ bona lawo sisa waphusha lapha ekhaya so ku benefit wonke umuntu kule live session ngoba u live then next time kune video yakho ipostiwe video yakho available ku YouTube uyazibukela mafuna ukuzibukela mixtape mafuna uyi-download ungazi-downloadela mafuna uyaye ukuhamba long distance nyane awanyana uyakhona ukuthi uzibuke uzimamele uhambe uphushile imixtape yakho available
so maybe mangathi mhlawumbe kuno DJ nebathi okay mina nginengoma zami engidlalayo yathola ngiyafisa ukuthi ngize maybe ngizodlala but then in some of le ngoma engistage kunama artists engaphathayo aperformayo njalo manje DJ so do you guys like abantu naba offer leso slot leso esokuthi u DJ afike ne artist izo performa na
Yeah, so kuphi in terms of thina maso DJ or in terms of
no like kuma live event wenu like do you offer like ama artist ukuthi like maybe u DJ as an artist ayenze nalo ingoma?
Yeah sa offer lento le nathi sinokuyenza sinokuthi maso DJ asambe ne artist field DJ. Yeah sa offer nayo lento le ukuthi at least mawuzene u DJ wakho as artist nalapho yenzani avoid conflict uthi number 3 ngabu number 5 ngoba mawungenzanga no DJ wakho ungitshela ukuthi ingoma zakho zihamba kaso ngicine vele ngenza ukuthi ayenzi ngizogcina ngibona ukuthi ayisayenzi lento le ukuthi sa record kahle yebo. Yeah.
So mfethu maybe mhlawumbe mangabuza maybe ukuthi o DJ like niba khona kanjani ukuthi like nibabuyise into one place ukuthi okay mfethu uzodlala 30 minutes then ichayile siyashuta la cause o DJ uyazi uzokutshela ukuthi kasona once kwaba 30 minutes igazi seliyashisa usafuna uqala phansi like ikhane eqala ukudlala.
Mara vele I prefer ukuthi kube angithi vele umuntu sometimes u prefer ukuthi aqala relax then ekugcineni vele khona la gijima khona aze naye kahle angajahi phela manje ufike soyaqala soyagijima mele uqale mawuzilule bese ushaya ubhophu nyana bese khona ushaya sprinting anye uvela usuye ngesprinting imoto anye uvela uthi 120 uyakhathala fast yawo awusuyibholo umuntu amele uqale kahle ngepace bese uyagcina uyakhuphuka kahle.
Mfethu before sivala mfethu ngiyabona ukuthi ayiseziyakhala lapha ninziza ukuthi baba shayile isikhathi serent phela manje. Mfethu maybe mhlawumbe mangangitshelela abo DJ mfethu lapha bafethu asikaqedi bafethu ngendaba eMnatiflix I think maybe soon mhlawumbe uzobuya maybe with the other DJ maybe uyathola
uzozakala
DJ silent song mhlawumbe sikhulumeni futhi so I can say ukuthi uzoza upart 2 owalaba bafethu siphinde futhi sibonge futhi kakhulu ukuthi nibukele iKidem podcast niphinde futhi ni subscribe ecela ukuthi ulike utshele nomngani kamngani ukuthi bafethu sifikile safike sahlala namhlanje sihleli noSitho. Mfethu uno DJ ofuna ukwazi ukuthi before samba uza kanjani ukuthi ezodlala mfethu kwishow?
Kwamele Facebook lapha kupangilistitho Facebook page asho ukuthi ufuna ukudlala bese umguy slot ukuthi uza nini bese uyeza neaddress uyeza uyasambamba bese will take it from there.
So maybe mhlawumbe ngabuza maybe u DJ ukuthi bafethu yini ngimine mina ngiexpect mangifika yini na any expected from mina mhlawumbe?
That's why I prefer with my before figure early so khuluma nama terms lawo but if sisi confirmile ngefoni nama terms lawo sakhuluma ngefoni ukuthi no transportation ukirena so Bolt okay angina ngizohamba ngemoto okay sharp ukirena ngemoto mawufika phambili ukhasana ufuna cold drink ufuna 6 nyana ufuna igawula andakena mina ngikirena ngine6 yami la ngifuna ibhodlela kanje or ngishala lona intonyana ezinjalo whatever uyifunayo sa accommodator bese uyafika uyadlala maqedile yena masonkerendi iba kanjalo so everything so iqeda ngefoni
eziyakhipha mos ngathi kuzo DJ kasilonke labantu bazoza for these free drinks. Bafethu asibonge kakhulu bafethu, this is your boy Kidem bafethu, sibonge uSitho for pulling up mfethu so kubona kwipart 2 nje yami yathola
Kidem
nakhona mfethu yazi mfethu bathi ngashona ilanga shout out bafethu awe